Hi, so do you want to generate AI UGC product video within seconds? Even if you don't have much technical knowledge like me, this video will definitely help you. So watch this video.
Special shout out to this luxurious face cream, thoughtfully crafted with nourishing ingredients designed to replenish and revive your
Everything step by step I will show you. I will give you complete walkthrough with all the resources.
skin. Infused with vitamins and antioxidants, it provides deep hydration, improves skin texture, and promotes a radiant, youthful appearance.
Resources, you have everything like product selections, voiceover, avatars, product in hand, caption, background music.
Elevate your daily skincare routine with confidence, knowing your complexion is being treated to premium care. Give your skin
So all in one from single dashboard, single tool, so you no need to use any secondary tool for this AI UGC product video generation.
the attention it deserves, because healthy skin is always in.
Okay, so let's get started with this tutorial. So first of all, you should have this tool dashboard. Okay, to access this, use the link in the description. I will add it, and then you create an account. Okay, after that you will find some cards over here. Okay, so more, actually 3000 plus tools you will get, but you first either you can search with UGC video generator, or you simply select over here, you click on this video option over here. Okay, then you will get this option 1 2 3 5th 6th option. Okay, so this one, AI UGC product video generation tool. So you need to click on this card over here. Okay, after you click, you will be landed or redirected to this page over here. Okay, now here you will get everything, all the resources, so you no need to use any second tool, website, nothing. Okay, or app. So here step by step I will guide you. So first thing, actually, product selection. So this is the first step. Okay, here you need to select the product, so you just click on this select product page and then create new. Here you need to add the product name, then description and product URL. Now, whatever Amazon, Walmart, or your own website, or Shopify website, or WordPress, whatever website you have, that URL you add, and then up to 5 clear product images you upload. Okay, then save the product. Okay, so I cancel because I don't want to add anything now. Okay, so this is walkthrough video. Okay, next you have script. So this option, product script option, will be hidden. You need to click. Okay, then it will open. So you can write like you can rewrite, you can use the shorter, more engaging, continue. Okay, like that option you select, and then you can generate the script. Okay, here you can type your character and speech. Up to 1000 characters you will have. Okay, so for example, if it is shorter, okay, the script is empty, so that is why. So first you generate the script. If you click on this generate button, you will have the options like general, fun fact, educational. Okay, then how to, you will have listicles, motivational. Okay, fantasy, business. Okay, then you will have tell us a bit more, little bit informations you give, and then you will have this add media content. Okay, so here you can add up to 5 images. Okay, maximum 5 MB, videos maximum 50 MB. Okay, and it should be under 10 seconds. You can upload that and then click on generate video script, right? So because this is in detail, so that you will create quality product video, it will looks like real. Okay, not like someone AI is just speaking or giving the product demo. Okay, so it will be real human beings like that, and you will have very good, actually, ambience and image you can create okay, to your audience or the customers. Okay, so this is how you can do. This is the first part done. Okay, so before I move to the second part, just let me you can inform me, because if you want me to give the link where I have shown you real time, okay, while I generate this, I enter all the details like product details, then script, even voices, avatars, everything. If you want that video, you should comment me. Okay, I will send you that link for you to watch that my work in the real time, and then you can just follow the steps. This is just walkthrough video, but in depth video. You can follow that tutorial as well and practice on your own, okay, using the steps. Okay, so now we have the second step, which is voice and audio. A very important step. So before I come to this voice and audio, let me tell you avatar selection. Okay, very engaging part and you will like it. So basically you have this you can select the avatar from these options, or else you can upload image, okay, your own product in hand image. If you have shooted already, means you have filmed that you captured that image, okay, with some person holding your product in hand, that you can upload, or else you can generate it using the avatars. Okay, so you have this select an avatar option. So you can see already you have lots of avatars, 137 avatars ready. So if I show you all the image avatars, okay, so you have the avatars ready, just ready to use. Okay, you use them, whomever you like, you select, okay, and then you are ready to go. For example, I like this avatar, okay, so you simply click on that image, okay, and here you can see you should upload your product image over here. Okay, so the good example is this one. Should be single product, clean background, and full product shot. And then you have, these are actually not good examples. Multiple product shot you don't take, then with model don't take, and this actually incomplete. Okay, I hope you understood. So this is how you upload the product image. Okay, then you can use that avatar with your own product. Okay, so upload or generate with AI, and then you have the filters from left hand side. You can use female or male, then you have avatar source, okay, and then actually categories. So here you will have the beauty categories, then 3C general products, general bags and luggages, watches. Okay, for example, these watches, you can see you will get all the avatars with the watches. Okay, like that you can select. Okay, so this is how you can select the avatars. Okay, so this part is done. I hope you understood. Now voice and audio part. Okay, so this is super important, because you should have very clear and audible uh, precise voice quality. So for that you can use this option over here. You will have three options. You can see voice library, then voice clone, and record voice. Okay, so one by one I'll explain. So first, voice library. You have lots of library, actually 1307 voices available over here, and popular characters, you can use their voice. Okay, and you can use any voice you want, including popular characters. Okay, right, so you can see the names and all. You can use any language, their age, then accents. Based on the filters you can use. Let me show you the filters. So you have the filters over here. You should select. Okay, so once you will click the filters, you will have the languages. Okay, so you can see languages, actually lots of options you will have in the languages. Let me tell you: Arabic, Bulgarian, then Croatian, Czech, Chinese, Danish, Dutch, English, Filipino, Finnish, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi, Hungarian, Icelandic, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Slovak, Spanish, Swedish, then Tamil, Thai, Turkish, Ukrainian, and Vietnamese. Okay, so lots of languages. You will have gender, both male, female. You will have natural and custom also, and you will have this age. Okay, young, middle-aged, old, custom, middle-aged. Okay, then you have use cases, for what purpose you want to use. For example, advertisement, animation, then ASMR, characters animation, conversational, custom, then entertainment TV, informational, means informative, educational, meditation, narration, narrative story, news, social media, UGC. Okay, so all these use cases you have. Then you have the description over here, you select it. Okay, for example, articulate, then authoritative, calm, casual, celeb, childish, chill, classy, confident. So you have lots of actually options. You can just pause the screen if you want and read, okay, all these options. Then you have the essence. Okay, you have African, American, Arabic, then all these options you have actually British, Croatian, you have Gulf, then Indian, you have this options, actually lots of options, Scottish, Swedish. Okay, you just select what kind of essence you want. Okay, then you are ready to go. For example, I'm just showing. Okay, this British. Okay, so I have selected this British one. So you can see we have 1307 voices. Okay, and you can select anything. For example, if you want something else, you can select Scottish. You will have this particular voice, only one available, but you can just filter them out, okay, based on your requirement. So this is voice library part done in this section over here. Next you will have voice clone feature. So if you want to clone the voice, you can create up to 50 custom voice clones. Okay, so you have this high quality audio, and from here you search with the voice name and upload your audio library. Okay, means audio file, and this is actually all about record your voice, so you can start recording. So this is how you can use voice clone feature. Okay, so it will cost you 1 million credits, and let me tell you, everything, all tasks you will perform, it depends on the credit. Okay, so you just check, you need to upgrade to this account with the paid one. Okay, so basically they have this offer is going on with just 15 USD per month. You can upgrade. Okay, if you let me show you. So this is the plan actually going on. You can see normally 49, but still with 15 USD per month you can upgrade to that account. Okay, they are running their Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, still it is active now, or else if you want you can purchase their lifetime access with 400 USD and yearly 99 USD. Okay, then only you can use that tool. Okay, so next you have this record voice option over here. So here script required. Okay, so to record the voice. Next you have avatar selection, where I told you already. Now product in hand. Okay, so what you can do here, you have this no product selected, no UGC creator image. Okay, so what you have to do first, custom prompt, and then you have this option over here, you can add the custom prompt. So once you will add the product, okay, in this product selection, product image, the images will display over here. And UGC creator, under avatar selection, you will have this UGC creator. Okay, in this section it will display. Next you have caption settings. Here you make sure this is enabled, don't disable this. Okay, under caption style, what kind of caption you want. For example, this is the style I want, I will select, or I want this style, I will select this one. Okay, next you will have this one, position, where you want. Okay, for example, middle, you select this middle option. Then caption language. Okay, most of the time it will be default by English, you keep it English. And then you have word highlighting. Okay, so the spoken words highlighting, is it is required, you enable it. Okay, so that particular word spoken, it will be highlighted. Okay, next you can either click on next, or simply this one, background music. So here, if you want any background music to be present or included in the video, you should select from this option over here, like American Boy, Voyager, then ASAP, Clario, okay, please. So whatever you want, you can see, always click on this more option over here, so you will have more tools and options. Okay, like for background music. Okay, let me play one, this one cool option over here. Then you have divine, this eyes, then we have glow option over here. Okay, so you can just add any background music you want. You can upload your own music. Okay, this one, my music. Once you generate the music from this voice and audio, it will display over here. You can upload from this section over here. Okay, and you can generate. Okay, just add the text from and you can generate the music. Okay, so again it will cost that one your credit. Okay, like each task you perform, custom task is it will cost some of credits. Okay, now the most at the end of the time the most credit will go to generate the product video at the end. Okay, but remaining credits it will be smaller only, but here once everything ready, you generate the video. Okay, and you can like customize further if you want, but this is how once you will click generate, I hope you will be almost 99% you will be satisfied with the result. Okay, this much guarantee or assurance I can give you, because I have already used this tool and I am super satisfied, and you can say I am very happy with the result. Okay, so this much for today. If you have any questions, please ask me, and if you want that real-time execution, okay, that particular video, you can always ask me, so that I'll send that link to you. And we are launching our AI courses as well, tutorials. Okay, very soon we'll launch and we'll announce that part as well. So this much for today. If you have any questions, please ask me. Please smash the like button, it will motivate us a lot, and subscribe this channel to get daily AI tutorials like this. Okay, so take care, bye bye.